Independent Electoral Commission's voter registration exercise in its second day today. Thousands of South Africans are coming out in numbers to register for the upcoming local government elections. There were, however, reports of violent protests yesterday in some of the voting stations. The IEC says individuals who are attempting to prevent the voter registration from proceeding smoothly today are undermining the fabric of democracy. The IEC is committed to finding solutions for all the hotspots across the country where registration was disrupted or halted. IEC National Chairperson Glen Mashinini says they are hopeful that the hiccups experienced can be resolved.
The work that has happened yesterday went very well, although we had some areas that had some problems, but we are hoping that most of the areas would have been resolved also by today.
Meanwhile, the situation